Hello everybody, this is Ed, and today we're checking out this Workpro 3-tier collapsible service cart. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. So this cart was sent to me by the seller to check out. So we have an operator's manual, a thank you card, and a brochure. And this thing is already pre-assembled. Good job on that, Workpro. Thing's already pre-assembled. So the measurements with this thing closed, and I like that you're able to fold this up. Huge space saver is 42 1/8 by 17 3/8 by 5 1/2. When you go to open it, you push down. That locks in place. I don't know if you heard that click or not. That locks in place. And then here you have your cart. The measurements unfolded and ready for service are 34 7/8 by 24 by 17 3/8. So the max weight evenly distributed is 210 pounds for this cart and 70 pounds per shelf. Very easy to roll. Smooth wheels on this thing. You got 2 wheels that have locks on it. So if you don't want this to move, it's not going to go anywhere. And when you're done with this cart and you're ready to store it, again, hit that red button. I don't know if you heard that click. That means it's locked up and you're able to store it out the way. Huge space saver. So if you're looking for a service cart that stores really easy, check this one out. This one's from Workpro. Good job on this one.